Today we are talking about three commonly confused words: still, already, and yet. They may seem tricky at first, but by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use them with confidence. Let's dive in. Let's start with still. We use still to show that something is continuing or hasn't stopped yet. It often goes before the main verb in sentence. Here are 5 examples. She is still working on her homework. Are you still watching TV? It's still raining outside. He still hasn't called me back. I'm still trying to figure out this puzzle. Still shows that something is ongoing, often when we might expect it to have finished. Next up is already. We use already to show that something happened earlier than expected or before now. It is usually goes before the main verb or after the auxiliary verb. I've already finished my lunch. She's already left the office. Have you already seen that movie? They already know the answer. We have already booked the tickets. Notice how already adds a sense of surprise or emphasis that something has happened sooner than expected. Yet, finally, let's talk about yet. Yet is used in questions and negative sentences to ask if something has happened or to show that it hasn't happened but it is expected. It typically comes at the end of the sentence. Here are 5 examples. Has she called you yet? I haven't finished the report yet. Have they arrived yet? We don't know the results yet. He hasn't started this project yet. Remember, yet adds the idea of waiting or expectation. It's like saying, but I expect it to happen. Here is a quick recap. Use still to show something is ongoing. Use already to show something happened earlier than expected. Use yet to ask or show that something hasn't happened but it is expected. Now it's your turn. Fill in the blanks with still, already, or yet. Pause this video, write your answers in the comments below and I'll check them for you. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.